credited for Constitution of Nepal 1990 and for successfully holding the parliamentary election in 1990. As Nepal has been struggled to overcome from political transition today after the successful Jana Andolan II. We wish to learn lesson from Krishnaji and focus on the mandate given by the people to struggle. Establish highest standards of ideas and accountability in public life through the political career since 1940s. He was not only the hero of democracy, strong globally, but also a person of strong convictions and tremendous courage. He was the one who spent 14 years in jail during Nepali democracy struggle. We want to share our heartfelt condolence with his family members, friends, followers as his death irreversible for people of Nepal, democracy of Asia in the world.
Now we are before ending the meeting, let's go for this.
Excuse me, can I add some one sentence? No, asked me to say something, but I was not able. Now I remember one memory which is left to me also. And after the 1940s, the restoration of democracy in party office also and the university also, I was the simple lecturer, and they requested me to be the hostel warden of the central hostel of the university. So I agreed that. Then I want to go furthermore. Then after 1 year, I went to meet him and with my some friends. And there are some conflicts between the hostel because there are no warden for 7 years. So it was difficult for me also. And then he asked me a short question. That question was, you are keeping the student and grandmother, mother and daughter. How you are going to manage this hostel? Then I became temper, so I did not have habit to make a joke. I was also the young. And then I angry, but shortly I made mine. I could not show my angry face. Then I stand up without speechless, and then I answered him. I forcefully smiled, but I did not want to smile. I forcefully smiled, and I answered him, Krishnaji, this university hostel is not going. I think as a warden I should say, I did not see any rule and regulation. There shouldn't keep grandmother, mother and daughter. But the student should be from the Tribhuvan University. So I followed the dash rule. I think I am not wrong. Then he laughed a lot. From that, after that, I learned many things. If we are going to interaction with a big person, scholar person, we should be careful and we should follow the rule. I think he wanted to apply the rule and regulation properly at that time. He wanted to do that one. Finally he told, and after that I met one time, you and me? No. Then he told me, I wanted how you are going to manage the hostel. This is very complicated things. He told second time, that is mine. Then I followed. Always I want to follow that things. Other things I think everybody knows. And the second things, when I was only 23 years old, and I am from very remote area in Nepal, Tamil, and I came to Kathmandu to join the bachelor level. And some of the delegates from the district came, and they are also related about the Congress party, Nepali party. At that time, usually people used to tell in the Maharashtra Tantra. That's just very difficult. I also illiterate, but I wanted to write. And then the people came to meet me in the hostel, and let's go to the party office. It was, I think we spent more, maybe 2-3 hours to solve the party office. And we went, I think I met in the maybe second floor. The Ganesmanji and Krishnaji were sitting. There may be uproar in the meeting. Then I did not have idea how to speak with him. I afraid of myself, I was the leader in the group. Then I stand up in the office like this, and then in Nani, that means in Nepali, where are you from, Nani? That means the small word. And then I did not I didn't have any idea. Just I came from Tapanjam district, so we did some complete from the party. So some the groups has come now. So we want to be party complete. How do you know the party complete? He asked me again. The Nepali Congress Party complete. I told one this. Still he wanted to ask me. Then he gave me maybe the other Prince party, whatever he did. It was also difficult. We have to hidden the bar. It's very difficult. That things, and then after that, I always reminded how to interact with political people, how he is going to do this struggle and that things. And then maybe a third time we had and before the 1990, that is the people struggle in Nepal to separate the Democrat or to choose the Democrat or monarchy. That is also referendum. That is also
Bautal
Nirda. That is also you are moving in university. You are not going to your district. Again he told me, and then yes we are going. Obviously I went. We spent 1 month in the remote area. We got pelting stone and all the things, and that things, and then I remember. And finally fourth things I remember. Although he withdrew from the party, but many things he left. But as a follower or as a follower of the party policy, I think we should follow some of the principles which will be fitted in coming future according to time. But we should choose which will be defeated. That's all. So,
Thank you, Didi. Now I request all of us to go for this 2-minute silence and we will end the meeting. Let's start now. Thank you. I thank you all, especially His Excellency, Professor Kumar, Professor Pandey, Vijay, Kiran, and all of colleagues and journalists. And thank you.